One of the big reasons to choose a Fibo laminate wall panel system is ease of cleaning. Most people hate to clean grout joints. But when you're looking here, even though there's an indentation in this joint, this is actually all laminate. It's actually a layer of laminate. So there's nothing that's going to collect inside of here. It's completely going to stop any kind of water penetration through this wall. Now, you may be wondering, what can I use or should I use to clean it? You know, you've got products like Frantastik, Greenworks. You can use any really non-abrasive cleaner. That's the key, non-abrasive. That's true for really of any kind of wall panel system. You don't want abrasive cleaners because that can mar the surface, and really a damp cloth. So it's really very simple to clean. And if you want to learn more about this product, not only about cleaning, but what's the cost of it, obviously that matters. How do you put it together? How do you install it? That type of thing, go again to innovatewallpanels.com or dial 877-668-5888. We'd love to help you.